Hello. And I think I have done the most of the basic functions. Of course, there are maybe some still need some discussion about the requirements and there are some logics, but mostly the basic functions are already okay, especially in the two aspects. The first one is about the database, using database for the local cache and also for the database encryption. The second one is about the um, Windows service. Okay, so this is my source code here, and I just want to give you this video to show you how it works on my local. Right now, I just use the debug version from my side. So for the installer, I used the NSIS. I haven't checked how to make the Windows Service installation and install the Windows Service automatically. Okay, so but right now I think we can just show the customers the demo to show you how it works, and then we can continue to do the work. Okay, so. For this one, for testing, I just create a new folder, my service for the testing purpose, and for the installation, I use the script to install it, and so later we will try to integrate this script into the uh, installer. For this one, I just use the sc command to create a service called demo. The binary path is my testing folder, and the start is auto, and the name is my administrator account, and the password, and run it. You can see that the success, create service success, and then we can check if this service is you can see the demo is automatic and the account is my administrator account, and after it is running it will create some log files and also a DB on my drive C. Oh, because this is the older one. We can try to delete it first for the testing purpose. And this is the older one that don't have the encryption field features onto the DB. So we can check this one. Use the SQLite administrator tool. You can see that we can create show all of the data, and even we open it with Notepad. It also can be viewed the data. Of course, this is the older one. For our new updates, I already added the encryption feature to the database. You can see that the older one, we can see the DB scripts and also all of the data. But right now, we will check them after we started our service. Okay, we can start our demo. It will create some log files, one for DB, one for network, and also a database. Okay, yeah, there are two log files and database called encryption version. And if we try to open it, I, I use the tool again, it will show error. And also we can see that there are no any data showed in this tool. And if we try to open it with Notepad, all of the data are already masked. We cannot see anything. And for the log, this is just to show all of the status. This is the same as before. And the DB log show all of the DB functions activities. For example, insert the domain into the domain table and the activity to the request activity to the history table. In the domain table, we have the domain and the category stored. And then, for example, we can check. Right now, it is filtered by all browsers. We can check. For example, we can check this page. In the URL verification, we can check the log to show what happened to the database. For Microsoft, it first check the domain, and from Microsoft there are many domains. There are some subdomains, and we first we will check the status of the domain of this domain. If there no exist, we will add this insert new one into the domain page or domain table, and also add the history, add the activity to the history table, and the status is approved from the server, and the category non-adult. Okay, so this is okay, and we can check the, and then we can check the network activity. You can see that for the domain, this is the first time to visit it, so it will try to check it from the server. But if we run again out to view this page, you can see that we don't have the URL verification loading process view, because it just read from the database and it local database, so it is much quickly than view the network. So we can check the log again. Maybe this is C, maybe it's another domain, but for our old domain, for our old domain, it will not visit the network again. You can see that there are log the checking for the entry in database. So it will check for the database, and for there's some new domain, it will of course it will check from the database from the network again. And also for the DB log, you can see that this is just a status select status, and you want to add a new one to the database because we already have it in the database. And for another one, for the I just blocked Yahoo for testing purpose, so we can try Yahoo here. Your verification, it is blocked, and we can check the DB log to see what happened. Yeah, it will add a new one, insert into the history table with the status blockade. Okay, so I think basically the functions are already okay, but I think there are some because for the requirements, I maybe there are something I don't know too much, so that maybe needs still more discussion about it. But generally, the main two functions are already okay. Um, so I think this you can take it as a demo to show you to the customers. Okay, thank you.